All right, so finally, let's talk about the latest reports on the impact of the pandemic. On Monday, you wrote in your Dish column about the rise in COVID-19 and concern about a double-dip recession. Can you walk us through your analysis in that piece and answer the basic question, are we at risk of a double-dip recession this winter?
Of course we are at risk, and the real question is the virus. This has all been driven by the virus, and we're once again seeing increasing caseloads, increasing hospitalizations, and I think that most policymakers, whether they're at the federal level or governors, mayors, have learned to be quite resistant to the idea of going for early lockdowns. Right? That was incredibly costly for the U.S., and so they're trying to see if they can manage with social distancing, masks, calls for the public to be careful, and not have the hospital systems get overwhelmed. And that's the key test on the public health front. If you face the hospital systems, the healthcare delivery in general getting overwhelmed, you will have to take physical lockdown measures to enforce that. So trying to avoid that, that's probably the biggest risk of a downside. If you got a widespread physical stay-at-home order, that has a huge impact on the economy. If we avoid that, then there's a good chance the interference will slow growth. There's no question, but we could get through it without getting into negative territory. So far, the high frequency data, the things you get, the retail sales, the sort of daily credit card usage things, point to a picture where the economy's hanging in there. It's not great, but it's not bad. And we got, for example, this morning, a report from the ISM, the supply management folks, that November employment in the service sector, which is a much bigger part of the employment picture in the U.S. than anything else, it was better in November than October. So that's going the right way. That's good news. We will get a report tomorrow on employment in November from the Department of Labor, and we'll try to figure out how we're doing. And as I wrote, that one's going to be hard to interpret because typically in November, all the retail firms are adding employment for the holiday season. People are wrap packages, check people out, all that. They're not this year. So when you use seasonally adjusted data, you expect to have a big jump in employment. And if you don't get that big jump, that looks like a negative once you think about the seasonal adjustment. So there's the chance that the seasonal adjustment is going to push down the jobs number overall, and that's a concern that'll be misinterpreted when it's really not negative. It's something that's just an anomaly because of the seasonal adjustment.